The drone industry is in constant flux, with new advancements emerging rapidly. Among the most eagerly awaited releases is the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Following the success of its predecessor, the DJI Mini 4 Pro, the Mini 5 Pro is generating significant excitement among drone enthusiasts and professionals alike. Renowned for its compact design, powerful performance, and affordability, the Mini series has become a favorite for those seeking portability without sacrificing quality. With the DJI Mini 5 Pro on the horizon, let's dive into the latest leaks, rumors, and key details about this highly anticipated drone. The Mini 4 Pro was celebrated for its 4K video capabilities, outstanding image stabilization, and lightweight build. As technology advances, the expectations for compact drones have risen. Users are now demanding superior video quality, longer battery life, and enhanced obstacle avoidance. The anticipation for the Mini 5 Pro is not just about novelty, but also about DJI's track record of innovation and refinement. One of the pressing questions surrounding the DJI Mini 5 Pro is its release date. DJI has established a pattern of releasing new drones annually or biennially, with adjustments based on market trends and technological advancements. If this pattern persists, we can expect the Mini 5 Pro to make its debut in the first half of the upcoming year. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to adhere to this pricing strategy but may see a modest increase due to anticipated upgrades. Early reports suggest that the starting price could range from $699 to $799, depending on the configuration and included accessories. The Mini 5 Pro is rumored to come equipped with a superior camera system, potentially offering 6K or even 8K video recording capabilities. Improved low-light performance and higher resolution images are also expected. One of the most sought-after improvements is extended battery life. The Mini 5 Pro may feature a more efficient battery, allowing for longer flight times and enhanced usability. Expect refinements in flight stability and control, with possible enhancements in speed and maneuverability. The Mini 5 Pro might incorporate new smart features such as advanced tracking modes, improved GPS accuracy, and enhanced automated flight options. The DJI Mini 5 Pro promises to be a game-changer in the compact drone market, combining cutting-edge technology with the portability that has made the Mini series so popular. With anticipated upgrades in camera quality, battery life, obstacle avoidance, and flight performance, it is set to offer a compelling package for both hobbyists and professionals. Stay tuned for more updates as we continue to track the latest developments on the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Whether you're a drone enthusiast or a professional seeking a reliable and high-performance compact drone, the Mini 5 Pro is sure to be worth watching.